Hi, we're here at Fred L. Wilson Elementary School in Kannapolis, North Carolina, one of 8 schools part of the Kannapolis City Schools Grant Initiative. My name is Doug Vernon. I'm the Greenhouse Operations and Outreach Specialist at NC State University at the Plants for Human Health Institute. Our grant has consisted of primarily building raised beds at 8 Kannapolis City schools and then outfitting those schools for everything they need to do gardening for the purpose of STEM education, nutritional education, and also awareness of local foods, including tastings of what comes from the gardens. We've had a few partners to work with us in this project. Lowe's Incorporated has provided discounts on plants, supplies, lumber. Cabarrus County Schools has offered free delivery of the soil, which was provided by Wallace Farms. They discounted the soil that goes in the beds, and we appreciate that. And then our fourth partner has been the Piedmont Research Station near Salisbury, and they've provided strawberry plants, seeds, and then also technical assistance, and are promising for further technical assistance as the schools use these gardens. They're willing to come out and help the students learn in the garden. One of the, or probably the only real obstacle to the gardens that have been installed is that teachers now have a new educational space to use and just need to transition or learning to transition into using the garden instead of the classroom for certain lessons. That's the only real issue. Other than that, there's plenty of excitement, and a lot of students are getting into the garden and using them for learning purposes. There's successes, though, that certainly outnumber the obstacles. STEM lessons have been designed specifically by the STEM specialist at the Plants for Human Health Institute, Amy Bowman. She has created lessons for use in the garden, and they are standards-based lessons. Finally, the school gardens are also used in a very successful way on curriculum night and fall festivals, and so we're getting more than just the students in the garden, also parents are becoming familiar with it as well. Finally, the impact of our garden initiative is looks like this. There's 5 elementary schools which house 2,200 students plus. Some schools are finding that 100% of their students are involved in learning in the garden. The intermediate school has over 800 students. They are also using gardens in a courtyard setting as well as outside. Kannapolis Middle School has a farm-type garden that is used by the ag classes there, as well as the ag biotech classes, and other classes will soon be using those areas as well. Finally, the high school has over 1,500 students, and there's 3 departments at that school that is using the gardens currently. The science department, particularly biology and environmental science. The culinary arts department, which is very happy to have fresh produce to use in their kitchens. And also the special needs students are also learning in the garden. So all these schools have plenty going on and more to come in the future, and we're just happy to see what's happening. Thank you very much.